Welcome to Dynamic Languages Japanese Lesson 6, which is about basic family members. In Japanese, you use different or modified vocabulary depending on whether you're talking about your own family members, who appear in the right-hand side of the screen and are labelled with watashi or I, or whether you're talking about other people's family members, in which case that will be in the left-hand side of the screen and labelled anata or you. The word for family is
家族、
but when you are referring to other people's family, you can show respect by saying ご家族. The ご prefix is an alternative to the honorific o and simply adds respect. Your own father would be
父、
whereas someone else's father would be referred to as.
お父さん、
Now this includes the prefix o, which indicates respect or honor, and it gets an additional san at the end to make it doubly respectful. It's a similar system with mother.
母、
That's your own mother. Somebody else's mother would be.
お母さん、
Notice the honorific o at the beginning and san at the end. My older brother,
兄、
your older brother.
お兄さん、
My older sister,
姉、
your older sister.
お姉さん、
My younger brother,
弟、
your younger brother.
弟さん、
Notice younger brother has a san on the end, like all the others. It also has an o at the beginning, but this is coincidental. It is not the honorific o, it's simply part of the word for younger brother. I'm afraid younger siblings, brothers and sisters, don't have a sufficiently high status to be granted the honorific o at the beginning of the word. Younger sister is.
妹、
You see there's no o at the beginning of the word, and there's no additional o at the beginning of the polite version, although it does retain san at the end.
妹さん、
練習しましょう. Let's practice.
この人は誰ですか？
Who is this person? Kono, this. Hito is a person. Topic particle wa tells you what you're talking about in the sentence. As for this person, dare, who, desu ka, is it. This is the sort of sentence you might use if you're sharing some photographs with Japanese friends and you want to tell them about the different members of your family. So we're going to use the humble or neutral form in this activity.
この人は誰ですか？
Chichi desu. It's my father.
この人は誰ですか？
Ani desu. It's my older brother.
この人は誰ですか？
Ototo desu. It's my younger brother.
この人は誰ですか？
Haha desu. It's my mother.
この人は誰ですか？
Imoto desu. It's my younger sister.
この人は誰ですか？
Ane desu. It's my older sister. And that's the basic family members in Japanese. 頑張って